What is up, everybody? We're back with some dips. We got some dips going on. Today, we're going to be talking about the 3 week accumulation block that I did. Uh, Starting off with some clips of the upper body day. There's only these clips at the beginning. I did dips, uh, 1 minute rest, 5 sets of 5 every workout twice a week. So I did the same workout twice a week. I did 4 sets of 15 lat pull downs, focusing on extension. And then I did 4 sets of 15 dumbbell shoulder press, focusing on the same thing. In between sets of pull downs and presses, I only did 30 seconds of rest. So this was also some cardio in there. Just trying to build up work capacity. Started with 25s here, just spitting all over the place. Here is the main stuff. Did these waiter walk marches to try to prime the core. I just did 20 steps and just kind of kept with the same weight. This is 90 pounds. All right. Both days I did squat to begin, sets of 10. I'm trying to focus on not dumping forward, which I don't really think that this block solved that issue. But I do think that I might have solved that issue. We'll talk about that in a later episode. But focus here was to build up my sets of 10. Here we've got deadlifts. I normally do reset every rep. I did these more touch and go. Not really touch and go though. Other than this set, I started doing like a very soft touch, and we'll see that at some point.
All right.
Here is the accessory work I did every day. I would just do 3 sets squats, 3 sets of deadlifts, and then I would come downstairs and hit back extensions for sets of 8.
All right.
Go right into.
I'm not.
I told Matthew to do commentary,
I'm sorry.
and then he just was saying okay. This is my first week of doing split squats, I guess, or lunges. So these suck, but I just wanted to build up this as a skill because I'm so terrible at it.
Switch it up. Switch it up.
And then I would just go back and forth between split squats and the back extensions, sets of 8. Just trying to clean up the form on these split squats. And got a gratuitous glute shot there.
Cut off.
And we have a good time. All right. I think this might be a set of 12. On the second day of the week where I would use the same weight, I would sometimes, or actually every time, I pushed the last set to 12 reps instead of 10 reps. You can see I'm dumping forward on these pretty badly. These are a bit more controlled this time. Very soft touch. Amazing camera work.
Oh. Oh,
We got 12 there.
he goes hard. Hard.
I'm in the zoo in a gorilla.
Oh yeah, gorilla mode. I'm always perplexed by I'm always perplexed by lifters who are gorilla type guys. I'm not much of a gorilla type guy myself. I'm more of a myostatin inhibited cow. All right, week 2, 220, first day. So the cues I use a lot in this cycle were like chest up and staying in my knees out of the hole. I still like staying in my knees out of the hole, but chest up, I don't think it worked too well. So we've since changed that up, and I think we've seen a bit of an improvement. Deadlift 10. It's pretty hard. Here is second day of week 2. This is a set of 12 with 220. None of these ever felt very hard. Mostly just on the lungs, which I should definitely not be struggling to 10 or 12 even with these weights. So this was, I'm hoping, a good idea, and we'll see. So far, I've already moved on from this program into my usual 8s, 5s, and 3s in that order. My 8s are feeling good, so I think it might have worked. We'll see. Here's 305 for 12. Don't know if I said this already, but I'm also using straps on these, and I don't usually use straps. Bit of a soft lockout here, but oh well. Third week, final week, we got 230 for 10. Trying better here to reset between each rep, get my breath in. Way forward on these. Oh yeah. Kind of correcting it a little bit. These look bad, bro. Now that's speed. Speed. 320. Form is better here. Better lockouts, and also nice soft touch at the bottom. Oh, and I didn't record the final week, but there's the numbers. I'm sure that you can figure out what I did. That's the accumulation block. Peace out. Bye.